What is abstraction? Abstraction is a very important concept here. Why? Because it's so crucial that you don't really need to understand everything in the entire world. You don't really understand how can the car engine work, how can electricity work in the computer, how can um, how can you open the television just by pressing a button. There are so many things that you work just know they work and you don't really care about how. So this is the main point of abstraction here. For example, we have two payments, one Visa, one MasterCard. Each one have its own way of working. So if we enter this Visa payment, we'll find that we have some kind of different algorithm for the payment. And if we go back to the main here and we reach it for the master payment, we will also have a different algorithm for payment. So each one of them, I don't know why are you expect, yeah, this is one because it's an interface, but yeah, regardless of this error, the main point here is that each one of those classes have different way of implementation and we really don't care about what's different implementation. And this is like some example of the third parties that you use. Usually when you're importing third party, you use their methods. You are given some set of methods and you're using them, so you don't really care about every single detail of what is happening under the hood and how you're processing this logic, but you're expecting some kind of processing that's happening in order to get the expected outcome. So this is basically the idea of abstraction. You don't care about the low level of details of implementation of this kind of uh, logic or method or implementation of some kind of interface and this kind of stuff.